Q Services, Qwashers, eBay, YouTube. So what we've got here is a Karcher, the old Karcher. This is down as the 500 Ci HDS. Now this has got the air-cooled motor. It's not got the water-cooled motor system. Take note of the pump head and everything else. Now what's happening is on this system that the engineers have come, and what's simply happening is the machine itself is only producing mains water pressure. Now you'll notice there's no reservoir tank here on this machine. So when they come to set the machine up, the machine itself only produces low pressure, mains water pressure. So the water's flowing through it. Motor's running as far as they can see and everything else when they're testing the machine. And this is the confusing part of it all. So what we'll do is we're going to take the pump head off, and you'll see the pistons and everything else running perfectly. But when you put it under load, it won't do. So we'll just move on to the next stage. So we're undoing the bolts, the 4 studs. What we have done as well is, you'll see just at the back of here to keep the oil in place, you'll see that there's some clamping brackets, so we've just put some screws in there and bolts to hold that from coming apart so that all the oil doesn't come out. So we've taken the pump head off, the machine itself, and you'll see the pistons. So as we're running the machine now, you'll see at this part here the pistons are going in and out. Yeah, we've put our hand against it, it's jumped off, but you'll see that the actual plate itself inside, we'll turn it back on again, and you'll see that the piston swash plate is spinning. Okay, so everything appears to be okay here. What we're going to do is go to one step further. So you'll see the Allen key. What we're going to do is unscrew that Allen key. Wedging the swash plate. So what we've had to do is go into the back end to hold the fan while we're undoing this bolt. Now when we take that Allen key out and take the plate off, you'll see that what's happening is when it's under load, this is actually spinning. Crazy idea from Karcher, but this is the way it is. So the armature is only just sitting out enough to get connection. So what's simply happening is that swash plate, when it's under load, is spinning. The actual connection on the motor armature is not making a good connection. So when it's under load, when you take it out, when you obviously look at it normally without taking it in bits, it works perfect. But when you put your hand on like I did and put it under pressure, this is what happens, it just spins on there.